I just got a weird message from my friend. Just look at it. Is it even English? Alright, let's break it down together. These are called acronyms and abbreviations. If you're not familiar, you can use them in texting, emails and at work. They make conversations quicker and more efficient, but if you are not familiar with them, it can be quite confusing. Let's translate my friend's message together. LOL means laugh out loud. Normally that's how you react to something funny. If you see something funny or hilarious, that's how you react. Next one is FYI. It stands for your information. If you want to add something to a conversation or just notify someone, you have to use FYI for your information. Next one is OOO. It means out of office. When you work in the office and you're absent for whatever reason, if you're taking a sick leave or you're on vacation, you can say, oh, my coworker is OOO. It means he's out of office. Next one is ATM. It stands for at the moment. It means now, at the time when we are speaking, at the moment. Next one is TGIF. It stands for thanks God it's Friday. Normally when you're tired from working from Monday until Friday, you can tell to your coworker TGIF, thanks God it's Friday. Next one is G2G. It means got to go, need to leave urgently, you have something else to be done, you can say G2G, got to go, so you're stopping the conversation. Next one is ASAP, stands for as soon as possible. Something needs to be done urgently. For example, I need to go ASAP, I need to finish this task ASAP. It means it needs to be done urgently. Alright, next one, BRB. If you're talking to someone and you have to go for a short period of time, you can say BRB. It stands for be right back. So I will return in a short period of time and we can resume the conversation. Next one is BTW. By the way, stands for by the way. If you are talking to someone and you forgot to mention something, you can say, oh, BTW, by the way, yada yada yada. Next one is IDK. It stands for I don't know. If someone is asking you something and you don't know what to answer, you can say IDK, I don't know. Next one is DIY. It stands for do it yourself. Maybe you can see, you saw it on the internet, something DIY, you can do it yourself. Alright, next one, NVM, stands for never mind. If you're talking to your friend and he's not following you, you can say NVM, it's never mind, just kind of forget about it. Next one is JK, it stands for just kidding. If you said something funny and you don't want to offend your friend or a person you're talking to, you can say JK, I was just kidding. Next one is TTYL, it stands for talk to you later. When you're about to finish the conversation, you can say TTYL, talk to you later. Alright, next one is IMHO, in my humble opinion. If you wanna provide an opinion, what you think about certain topic, you can say IMHO. You can write actually IMHO, in my humble opinion. Alright, next one, MBD, stands for no big deal. Just kind of forget about it, it's not a big deal. Next one is AMA, ask me anything. You can tell your friend AMA about the situation. Next one, ATA, stands for estimated time of arrival. Alright, next one, EOD, end of day. For example, you can say we can meet EOD, which means end of day. Alright, next one, OFC, stands for of course. Next one is MSG, it stands for message. I will message you later. I will MSG you later. TBF stands for to be fair or to be frank. Yes. Next one, IMO, in my opinion. Whenever you want to provide an opinion, you can say IMO and you can share what you are thinking about. And the last one is AFAIK. It stands for as far as I know. Now that we went through all the acronyms and abbreviations that my friend used, by the way, if he didn't use the abbreviations and acronyms, it would go something like laughing out loud. For your information, I'm out of office at the moment, but thanks God it's Friday. I got to go as soon as possible, but I will be right back. Oh, by the way, I don't know if we can build the thing together. Never mind if not, just kidding. Talk to you later. In my honest opinion, it's not a big deal. Ask me anything later. Estimate time of arrival is by end of the day. Of course, I will message you. To be fair, in my opinion, it's all good, as far as I know. Phew, that was a workout. If you want to understand native English speakers, especially online, you have to learn acronyms, because acronyms like that are everywhere. Memorize few acronyms every day and you'll be texting like a pro. If this video helped you, type your favorite acronym in the comment down below, or just type LOL if you're still confused. And TTYL.